Lesson 4.4, Further Multiplication and Division, Week 2. So to begin, we have our Do Now task, question 1, question 2, and question 3. Complete these word problems on this document and put it on your Shelby for your teacher to see. Okay, our in focus for today says, one tank has 23 fish. How many fish are there in 4 tanks? So how are we going to work this out? So we know 23 is 2 10s and 3 1s. And we have 4 tanks of 23. Let's learn. There are 4 groups of 23 fish. So how do we multiply 23 by 4? If you remember for your last lesson, we know that we have to multiply the 1s by 4 and then we have to diagonally multiply our 10s by 4. So step 1 is multiply the 1s by 4. So we use our column method, our 10s and our 1s, 23, 2 10s, 3 1s, and we put our 4 under our 1s section. 3 times 4 is 12. Now we know that we cannot have 12 1s. We know that 12 is 1 10 and 2 1s. So we put our 1 10 under our 10s and our 2 under our 1s. Step 2, we multiply the 10s by 4. So 2 10s times 4 is 8 10s. We know that 8 10s is 80. So we put 8 under our 10s and 0 under our 1s. Step 3, we need to add the products. So 12 plus 80, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 8 is 9. So our answer is 92. So 23 times 4 equals 92. And there are 92 fish in 4 tanks. Find the product of 25 and 4. So 25 is broken down into 2 10s and 5 1s. Step 1, we do the same as what we did the last time. We multiply our 5 1s by 4. 5 times 4 is 20. We cannot have 20 1s. We know that 20 1s is 2 10s. We put our 2 10s under our 10s column and our 0 under our 1s. Step 2, we need to multiply the 10s by 4. So we multiply diagonally. So 2 10s times 4 is 8 10s, and 8 10s is 80. So 8 goes under our 10s, 0 goes under our 1s. Step 3, we need to add the products. We add 20 plus 80. We know 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 8 is 10, so we can't have 10 10s. We need to bring 1 over to our hundreds. So we have 1, 0, 0. This is 100. So 25 times 4 equals 100. In our guided practice, we're going to do the same thing for 18 times 3, 34 times 5, and question 2 for A, B, and C. So we need to break 18 into 1 10 and 8 1s. So we are going to multiply 8 times 3, put our product down here. Then we need to multiply diagonally, 1 times 3, put our product here, and then we add the products. We are going to do the same for question B. Then for A, B, and C, you need to go and do the column method yourself in your books. And don't forget perfect presentation. When you are finished, check your answers on this sheet. When you have finished your guided practice, you're going to go to your independent task and you're doing the exact same thing that we have been doing this lesson. So for A, B, C, and D, you need to put 65 times 2. You need to multiply the 1s, put your product here. You now need to multiply your 10s and put the product here. Then you are going to add your 2 products together to get your final answer. Same for B, the same for C, and the same for D. When you are finished, you can check your answers on this slide.